Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by acting now. Log into a domain controller or management console with an account that has enterprise admin rights and MFA enabled. Export the target user's SID, groups, mailbox location, and home folder path. This prevents confusion later. Once done, make a full backup of profile and cloud data and record timestamps and change tickets. Make sure to notify affected teams and schedule a short maintenance window so you can delete the account without disrupting active work. You proceed by disabling the account immediately to stop sign-ins while preserving objects for recovery. Allow AD replication to complete. Then remove the user from all groups and revoke delegated permissions. This prevents orphaned access. Next, detach or place the mailbox on litigation hold, export, or archive mail, and change file ownership on network shares. Make sure to check scheduled tasks and service accounts where that user was assigned. Reassign any dependencies before final deletion to avoid outages. You complete the process by deleting the domain account once backups and transfers are confirmed. Then clean up any orphaned SIDs in ACLs and group policies to remove residual access. After deletion, verify replication across all domain controllers and test affected services such as mail routing, file shares, and scheduled jobs to confirm continuity. If something goes wrong, immediately use your backups or perform an authoritative restore or tombstone recovery. And document the fix so
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.